he said that the code looked okay. And then I guess there were just like issues with the code that we were using. Huh.
Yeah, he basically like he was like, you need this in here and this in here and this right here. Like blank this out, blank this out. So the torque impulse and the torque impulse was wrong because we shouldn't be using torque on a ball apparently.
And I guess
Yeah, and then instead of the global transform, we used vector, which is either y, x, or z. Point this out.
Cool. Oh yeah, well, we're gonna this is gonna be fun. We're at a point where we're gonna be building stuff for sure, but it's not gonna be as clean as it was. Anyway, good morning, game dev. That's right. We are going to progressively work on a type of project over a period of time and see exactly what we make as CMD. Should we do CMD?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. As CMD has been showing us, which wasn't really captured, we have a moving ball that is going around. Now, I am trying to figure out what the next logical step is to work on. We could work on trying to put something inside the ball.
I want you to teach me GitHub actually, so that I can start saving this stuff before I go adding more stuff.
Okay, this is going to be GitHub episode hilarious.
This should be interesting, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, all right. So the first thing is that there's a weird question that you have to ask yourself. Do you want Microsoft's shiny GitHub with their artificial intelligence that scans everybody's code base and takes, and helps other people code? Or do you want to have more control over your code, like more privacy on it, and have Microsoft list spying on it? Now I want to
no spying, please.
Okay, because just as an example, I always mess up his name. I don't know if it's Tim Sweeney or Todd Sweeney. I think it's Todd Sweeney. The CEO of Epic Games was a little upset that Unreal Engine was being distributed and given to people as if it was like open source code, but it's not open source code. It's open license. So all these people are getting, like, the AI bot was kind of helping accidentally steal his proprietary software.
Yeah, I remember you saying something about that. That's pretty funny, actually. I think it's hilarious.
Not suing him because he needs their tools.
Well, yeah, I mean, what can you do when you're going up against Microsoft?
Well, and he's integrated. Their business model is integrated with Microsoft, right? That's a kind of a weird situation. So, again, like, we have the benefits because I don't think any of the programming we're going to do is going to be like revolutionary, versus that we just need to show that we have access to it because we actually made it. I know that also sounds really weird, doesn't it? So there you go. So if we do go with Microsoft, again, I'll stress this, that we might be able to use their AI programming tools, their artificial intelligence programming tools. But at the same time,
to help with the code, you mean?
Yes.
Oh,
potentially. But I've never tried it. I know it's like, that's why a lot of developers are going there now. They were all freaked out about the privacy before it was an issue, but now we've seen how good artificial intelligent help is. Most programmers are just going for it, like, because it helps. I mean, if you're gonna, like, if the robots take over, yeah, sure. But if I need work that needs to be done with a deadline and a tool can make me 10 times faster, and my competition, the other programmers are using that tool. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get it.
It's one of those things. GPT-3 is not, well, it might be good for us because we're on the older Godot. It's not good for Godot 4 because there are changes. So you can do some programming on it, but again, you have to still fix the code.
I just want to ask it something real quick here.
Let's find out.
Don't mind any of this stuff.
Yeah, like I said, But this is gonna like our game dev mornings are gonna probably be all over the place. We're not necessarily gonna have clear goals, like you know what I mean. So that's gonna the evolution through de-evolution. Oh, right. I don't know about 3.5, but you can try. Because I think this is still Chat GPT 3. They haven't updated it to 4. Let's see. Oh, you went with 2D? You didn't specify.
Hang on.
Oh, no. Yeah, you didn't specify.
Follow speed 5, follow smoothing, var target, rigid body, function ready, target rigid body, get parent, get node, rigid body, replace rigid body. Function process delta of target rigid body, blah, blah, blah. Global transform, we don't want that, do we? 2 export variables, follow speed and follow smoothing. Follow speed controls how quickly the camera follows the rigid body. Follow smoothing determines the smoothness of the camera movement. Adjust these values to your desired settings. Find the line target rigid body equals get parent, get node rigid body, and replace rigid body with the path to your target rigid body node. This line assumes that the rigid body is a child node of the camera's parent node. Modify the path accordingly if the rigid body is located elsewhere in the scene tree. Interesting. Well, let's give it a shot and see what happens, eh? Oh, wait, that's right. We were supposed to be doing
Yeah, like I said, this is gonna devolve pretty quickly, but it's okay. 2 guys trying to make a game with Godot.
So I should put that in the camera script, right?
What's that?
I should make a script for the camera and put it in there, attach script.
You would want to try to attach the wait, are you trying to make a movable camera?
I'm trying to get the camera to follow the marble.
Yeah, well, all you have to do is just parent the camera to the marble. It's not that hard. You just like literally just put that camera and attach it into marble. Oh.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if it works.
Let's see here. Let me grab. Oh, maybe I'll just grab the invite. There we go.
That's not working.
Oh, it is. It's literally following the rotation.
So yeah, but we need the camera to stay static and not follow the rotation of the marble.
Well, then you're gonna need a different camera, or you're gonna need to program it, one or the other. Well, now what's interesting about this? Hold on. Oh, okay. So interesting, because that's the way we did it. So this is where you gotta research. You gotta look up a video for this type of camera. There's one I used for what was it called? There was one I used for I was like a platformer or a 3D person. So I gotta go find it again. Hold on. I don't know if now I'm questioning. I don't know how free flowing this is. Because like I'm gonna depending on how I want to invite people to this. I guess I'll just use it to be this right now. I'll just do it right here. We'll just do it informally. All right, okay. Whoa. All right. Okay. Okay. So go to. Oh, okay, what'd you try this time?
Yeah,
no, that's better.
No.
Ooh, that's great.
Who's ready to get sick?
This is
okay. That's not gonna work.
Okay, wait. Hey, if you want to do this in exploratory way, I'm fine with it. This is gonna take us a lot longer, which I'm completely okay with.
So I need to add. Wait, do I need to add that into the project settings. Where's the yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What's up?
Oh, it's okay. It's like did you ever play Legos when you were a kid?
Yeah, I still build Legos.
Do you build what's on the box, or do you just make monstrosities like I did?
Oh no, I buy like Star Wars Lego sets and I build them with my kids.
Oh, okay. So you don't have this like random stuff connected to Duplos then, right?
No, I'm not that creative, unfortunately.
Oh, what are you talking about? I'm seeing your creative ability right now.
Yeah, I don't.
So,
I'm wondering how to get it to stay static. What the hell just happened there?
okay. So what we can do here is we can follow some instructions and guidance and try to research stuff, or I can watch you try to connect Legos to Duplos, which can make some really interesting stuff. Now, following instructions could teach you faster, but this could probably expand your mind. I mean, I feel like I'm on drugs looking at this. So
I'm tripping right now. This is kind of crazy.
That's
yeah,
interesting.
so
What do you want to do? Do you want to learn how to do some Git, or do you want to get a camera connected to your ball?
I want to learn how to do some Git before I start breaking things.
You mean continue to break things?
Yes.
Sorry. And then what's funny is that when you oh my god, you put things in the Git. I need more Git practice anyway. All right, okay. So here we are with this is our scenario. Do you want to use GitHub? If you do GitHub, we have potential access to an AI programmer. And I think Godot's also on Git as well. Or do you want to go with something like Bitbucket or something where it's more private? They don't have an AI scraping our data yet. Ironically.
So you probably know more about GitHub than I do. So what's the pros and cons to using the AI version?
Like I said, it's that weird thing about proprietary stuff. Like at the end of the day, when we like we're not I don't think we're on GitHub. We're on something we're on like Bitbucket or something ourselves. But at the end of the day, you can pull your code and or whatnot, and then it can integrate to like our multiplayer stuff and everything else. That's what we're trying to figure out. So that right there, there's no pro or con, because as long as you have access to your code, you can do whatever you want with it. That's the big thing. I don't see Microsoft being evil anytime soon, and they say they honor your programming. And if anything happened with their AI stealing from someone else's code base and giving you the code, that shouldn't be your fault. so that's the thing. So the pros, I've never used it, okay? In theory, is that if you have a question related to GDScript, and you ask the AI, it should be able to kind of do what you're trying to do in ChatGPT, and then you should be able to use that like as an example. Where that code is being generated from would be all the other Godot projects with an open source license. So that's kind of the pro of it. The con, again, it just depends on how much you trust Microsoft, as far as I'm concerned. I haven't seen any, like, GitHub is really easy to use. Like, I'm always just worried about the licensing and stuff like that. When you go to like the good guys, the alternatives, I really like Bitbucket. Is that we won't necessarily feel this, but when you go with something like Bitbucket, you just know that you're not having all the tools that are out there. It's like not going with Adobe Photoshop, which has all these tools, but it's got a horrific license, and they just literally fucked over thousands of creators developing their AI. like really screwed over a lot of people. They got great tools, but I don't want to use them because they just literally fucked like thousands of people who've been using their products for many years. Anyway, I digress. So there you go. If we wanted to have like quote unquote the best experience, there's a tool called Plastic CMC, and it's actually developed by the Unity company, and it's amazing. I would say that's like the best experience hands down. But that, again, if you're like using Unity, it integrates right in the engine. But if you don't, and you're using it for Godot or Unreal, it's fantastic because it's got a lot of graphics. It's very pretty. And then you can see exactly what you're moving in and out. So case in point, when you use regular GitHub, you don't see any type of images. So when you're moving files that are image files, you can't tell if you're moving the right file or not. That's the same thing with 3D. That's the same thing with all this other stuff. What Plastic CMC does is you can look at and preview the files that you're exchanging. So you can visually check, like, is that the right file? Or when you start doing these merges, when you merge projects, you can actually see which file looks even better. So that and what's cool about that is that Plastic CMC, if I'm saying the name right, it's got two versions of that program. One is a artist version for the non-programming types, and the other one is full version control, which is for the programming types. I have to admit, it's amazing, but they have the worst license. I wouldn't trust it. I don't trust Unity. So it's like, I do not trust their licensing, and I don't trust their company. I've overkilled this with TMI. So you want to go with GitHub for now?
Yeah, let's go with GitHub for now, and then I can research other stuff later.
There you go. Here you go. Let's go get your GitHub account. All right. And I don't want to deal with version control. I'm going to just pass that on to you. Which shouldn't be too bad of a deal. I guess we should start with, what is version control? Do you know what version control is?
I do not.
Version control, version meaning like what version of software, and control, the making sure that the version that is working, the main version, is actually gets the best code. It doesn't get two types of code that become a problem for it. First type of code is idiot mistakes, which happens a lot in software development. There's a whole thing. That's why you have senior programmers who are responsible for the overall integrity of the code base. The version that works. If you want to, just don't show passwords, because I'm actually broadcasting this.
Somebody's using my fucking username.
Oh my God, are you serious? Are you sure it wasn't you? This happened to me.
Yeah.
Like, I've signed up for accounts, and well, you got to put numbers on there. Oh my God, don't you have to put numbers?
No.
CNFT not commander. Oh my God, really? Where did you get this thing? Oh, that's available. Okay.
Yeah.
Is this from like a game? Is your name from a game?
Yeah, from a game called Elite Dangerous.
Oh, well, there you go. That's probably why.
You know what Elite Dangerous is?
Yeah. I never got into it. Did you ever? How far did you get into Elite Dangerous?
Oh, dude, I'm deep into Elite Dangerous. Like, I've got probably like 10 ships, whole bunch of money.
Wow.
I've explored like far out into deep space. I played almost every day straight for like a year at least.
Oh my God. Someone made like an Elite Dangerous, one person with the Epic game engine. Can you imagine that? And a lot of AI. Like, what? One person made like an Elite Dangerous game. Is that crazy? I want you to think about that for a second.
They made an Elite Dangerous game by themselves?
Like a game by themselves with Unreal and a lot of artificial intelligence.
Damn, that's insane.
Yeah, it's actually the first one wasn't good, but then they made a sequel, which was really good. And the sequel actually
there's a guy who made a game all by himself that's basically like it's like a space sim almost, kind of like Elite Dangerous. I've got it in my, hang on a second, where is it? It's called Spaceborne, I think.
Oh, I think that's the one I'm talking about.
I played Spaceborne too. Yeah, it's a solo developer.
Yeah, Spaceborne too. Yeah, is that crazy?
Yeah,
I just like.
Yeah, that game's kind of janky though, but I do like the I do like the ability to like run around and be on planets and all that other shit. That's pretty cool.
Well, the voice acting is horrible. It's obviously AI, but when you hear it's one person, you're like, I forgive you. And the ships though, yeah, getting off the ground, no load screen was incredible.
No,
I was like, whoa.
but the controls took forever to figure out because like I was used to flying in Elite Dangerous. So it made it really hard for me to get used to the controls in that game. And like I actually crashed my ship about 5 times before I got into outer space. So yeah. What do I need? What do I want here? Specific features I'm interested in using.
Well, okay. Okay, hold on. Go back up. Go back up. You don't really have you don't I mean, do you really want, I guess you want it later. Yeah, maybe later. CIDI, action packages, APIs. Yeah, why not? Security, I'd probably put something on security. That's always just good to have. And then wait, hold on. Enterprise security.
Yeah, I don't think I need that.
Private repos, 2FA required. Code scanning, secret scanning. Yeah, but you have enterprise security. You don't have any of that stuff. All right, forget the security. I thought there was another way to set this up, but it's asking for some type of something else. All right, client and apps. Wait, hold on. No,
because we're mobile.
No. Because what we'll do, well, I'll have to find you the Git tools. So I want you to take a step back. Although Microsoft paid for GitHub, a private company, Git is open source and free. This very proprietary version of the software is based off of open source and free software. So we're going to go to the ground and get the archaic version of Git, which will give us all the Git tools that we need. This is just a place for you to store your game. But I want to get into the habit of actually using the prompt, even though people say like, why are you going to the Stone Age? There's better tools. I still think it's good to know. Anyway, project labels, milestones, issues, unified. You don't really need those, to be honest. You don't really need those. Team administration, you don't really need that either. Git marketplace, GitHub sponsors, GitHub skills, and Electron. I wouldn't use community. Unless you want to, because like, well, wait a minute, hold on. GitHub marketplace, GitHub sponsors, GitHub skills.
I definitely want the marketplace and the skills thing.
Why would you want a marketplace is my question right now.
Well, if it's like you said, if it's open source and there's free code, then I want the code.
No,
access to the code.
No, back up. I mean, we could have it there just to see what pops up, but I said that this whole business and company is based off open source free code. That does not mean that when you're on this commercial platform, it's not going to try to market and do all sorts of things to you, right?
Oh, that's fine. I get marketed all the time as a project lead. I know how to block and
okay. All right. I just want to throw that out there. And then what's the other factor related to this? Hold on, pause. I mean, you can turn these back on anytime, as far as you know. You can always just turn back this on. What was that? Was another thing. Oh, about that AI thing. When you're using the site, just like Facebook, it's tracking like actions and all this other stuff. Just FYI. So
yep.
All right, hit continue. Let's go.
I'm used to being tracked
by China.
By everything. By literally everything. My phone is a fucking tracking device, and I carry it around.
I literally have programs from China on my computer to do business on China. I'm just gonna throw that out there. Hopefully I don't get hacked. All right, we're gonna keep going. Yeah, we're free. Obviously, we're free. Oh wait, go up really quick. 2000 CI/CDs. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna pass that. 500 megabyte package of storage, free for public repositories. Code space is 15 GB. I don't think you're gonna pass these. If you do, we go to another service. That's it. Just FYI. because I don't want you to start. I don't want you to start paying for stuff. And then wait. Let's see. Look on
Well,
the
I
other
mean, if
side.
it's going to benefit me in the long run, then I'll look into what it costs. I'm not concerned about that. If I'm
Yeah, but
going
at
to
the
be
same time,
using it,
lean startup, right? You should just because you have the money doesn't mean you should spend it. And when there's like free, good working alternatives, that's where I'm usually at. I always want to try to lower my costs.
you don't know
Looking
me that well yet.
now, you're making me feel guilty that we're here.
No, it's fine. Okay, continue for free.
Wait. Look on the other side. I'm trying to see if the.
Oh,
Okay,
too
never
late.
mind.
Sorry. I clicked it.
I wanted to see if we. I want to see if we get access to the AI. So I can look it up later. Because like, why else be here if we can't get access to the AI? All right, it's private. Create new repository. The name of your repository would probably be. Okay. Well, okay. Name of the repository. I don't know. Godot experiments, ball experiments, playing with my balls. I don't
Ball
know.
handling.
Whoa, no spaces. No spaces. CLA says put a dash. Ball dash handling if you want to.
Ball handling is available.
Oh, it's available. That's good.
It's
Don't
totally
ever let that
available.
go. Don't let that go.
Handling of
Of
balls.
That's great. Private for now. Private for now. You don't want to show your ball handling till you're ready.
Do I want a README file?
Yeah, sure. Just go ahead and add a README. All right. Okay. Choose a license. You can go with none for now, or
Git ignore.
choose which files to try. Well, hold on. Yes. Add a git ignore. Which template though? I don't know which template. Which template? I don't even know which template. Oh, Godot. Thank God. Oh, they already have one here. Okay, great. I wouldn't choose a license for now.
That's fine. I don't even know what that means. So
that is the rights to your code. So you can either, like, a lot of these are going to be like open source. Like, don't do Apache, don't do MIT, don't. I don't know about the other ones. Maybe GNU. I wouldn't pick any of these.
I'm just going to go with none for now. That's fine.
Yeah. Because it deals with your copyright and all sorts of other stuff. So, all right, okay, and hold on. Whoa. We got to set this. Oh, where is the thing? We got to set up a way so you can upload and download. I can't remember how to do this. There's a certificate you have to go to settings. No, not there. Or maybe there. Oh, okay, maybe that's one way to go to settings. Go to is it accessibility? I can't remember exactly where this is at. There's a thing where we have to set up like a certificate on your computer so that you can always like download and upload. Ooh, I love watching your research skills, but I don't know if that's going to help us here. I think isn't it SSL? Let's see. How do I do this? Is it SSL? Okay. You know what? All right. First, let's go to open another browser window.
This thing keeps getting in my way.
Which one?
The
share
drop
screen.
down menu for our Zoom call.
Yeah, isn't it annoying? Okay. Here you go. Type in Git or Git tools. Type in Git tools. Like separate. Oh, I guess that's fine. Hold on. No. See, they're already trying to sell stuff. Unbelievable. Scroll down. No, there. No. Second one. Git SCM.
This one?
Yeah. You're gonna get the Windows one. And then I don't know if you're 64 or if you're 32. Which one are you? You should be 64.
I'm pretty sure I'm 64. Yeah.
Okay. Hit 64. And then we're gonna install this. I
don't need to read all this shit, do I?
just go next. It's better than Facebook. I usually put everything on D, or I guess you could put in your program files. It's just not that big, but you didn't have
I can
that much
just put it
space
on
for
my
CNF.
HDD, right?
You should be able to, yeah. So go to My Passport. Whoa, browse. Make another, go to My Passport, click on My Passport. Oh, is it blank? Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay, no. What you're gonna do is, okay, go to Passport and make a new thing, call it Program Files. Make a new folder in there and call it Program Files. Okay, and then make a new thing called Program Files. We'll have to clean this up later. Is that how you, oh, sure. Okay, sure. All right, okay. And then what you're gonna do is put the,
Oh, you fucking kill me, man.
yeah. It's one of the reasons I'm a funny teacher, but I'm a failed comedian. All right, okay, here we go. You don't need to add an ad con. It should be fine. Add profile to Windows terminal. Click on that add git, the bottom one that says new. Add git bash to profile terminal. That's gonna be good. Yeah, that one right there. You don't have to check for daily updates, and everything else should be fine. All right. Hold on. Setup will create a program shortcut. Yeah, if you want to, it's up to you. Do you want to just shortcut in there?
No,
I don't usually.
I don't need a
Yeah,
shortcut.
just hit next. Yeah, that's fine. Hold on. Let Git use the default branch name currently master for initial branch. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Hold on. This option adds Git minimal Git wrappers to your path to avoid. Okay. Use Git optional Unix. No. Use Git from Git bash only. Nah. Go for recommended. Ah, that's what it's called. SSH. Well, hold on a sec. This is SSH becomes Git. Okay. Yeah, just go with the default. That's what we're looking for is SSH. Wait, hold on. Server certificates validate co bundle cert. Yeah, go to the first one. And then hold on. Wait a sec. Check out. Git will convert LF to CLF when checking out text files when committing text files. For crossport, okay. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. And then emulator, which sports, resizable window, yeah, go with that one. And then hold on, wait a sec. This is a standard behavior for git pull, fast forward, okay. Rebase the current branch. If there are no local commits to rebase, the equivalent up to fast forward. Well, wait a second. This is a standard behavior of git pull, fast forward the current branch to the fetch branch when possible. Otherwise, create a merge commit. Yeah, go with the first one. Okay, all right, and then git use the cross-platform git credential information. Wait, do not credential helper. Yeah, go for that. Go for the first one. Enable file system caching, data, read bulk, cache in memory. Symbol. No. Click that one.
Keep this.
Yeah. Well, if you want me, the first one is actual files. The second one is like they're not the actual files. so click next. That makes just click next one. All right, stop. We got experimental. Enable experimental support for pseudo consoles. That's running the native console programs like Node or Python. Oh, interesting. In Git bash window using WinPython. Wow, but it's unfortunately not quite stable yet. Enable experimental build and system mod. Yeah, skip them. Go install. Because that might cause issues we don't know how to fix. I don't know how to do experimental shit yet. To be honest with you. I barely know how to do regular stuff, to be honest.
I'm not fucking with it.
And then Grief Chief, our ultimate backup support, when he has time, right? We'll why did you put experimental? It was new and shiny. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, great. So now that's in there. Now, right click in this window. Can you right click?
Right click in this window.
Yeah. Oh man, it's supposed to show us our Git stuff. Okay, open it up. Okay, go to see. It's supposed to just automatically show our stuff. Well, there's bash. Okay, well at least it's there. But I don't know why the shortcut's not there. All right, click on Git bash. Click on that one really quick. Maybe that one pulls it up. Okay, X. Or what am I trying to? No. Like exit out. I love you typed in X. Okay, wait. Okay, go. I'm trying to look this up. There should be a thing where it automatically. Oh, well, no, that's command prompt. Go to bin. Check bin. No, that's not there. All right, go back. Oh, I know what to do. Go again. Go. Open up. Try git cmd. See if I can do this right. Type in git GUI. GIT space GUI GUI. Oh, not git guy, git GUI. Yay, it worked! I did that from memory. No. Hold on a sec. Go to help. Go to help. Go to show at oh Jesus. Wait, no, whoa. I gotta stop the recording here. Well, this has been Game Dev. Good morning, but I don't want to give out security secrets, so I'm gonna be stopping the share right now. Catch us later another time. And don't forget to check out our